Hey, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make templates from your Fusion compositions. It's way easier than you probably think it is, and a lot of tutorials kind of make it seem complicated, but it's not. It's like 2 steps, so let's jump into it. If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we're growing like crazy, guys. You've been crushing it on the subscribe game lately. We're at like 220 right now, and just a couple days ago we were at 200. That's insane. The growth, like if I could show you guys my graphs, actually I think I can. Take a look at this graph. This is an awesome graph, so thank you guys so much. I hope that you're getting a ton out of these videos. Make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already. Let's jump into this video. So, first thing you need to do is come over into your toolbox here, go down to FX, drag a Fusion composition into your timeline, make it a little bit longer, go ahead and click on it, pop over into Fusion. We're going to need this one that we just added. All you're going to see is a media out because it is just a Fusion clip. There's nothing going into it. It's just ready to give you what you need. So for this video, keeping it short and sweet, we're just going to do a quick text with the transform, but you can do it with literally anything you build in Fusion. So we are going to write template, and we're going to leave all that how it is. So we're going to drag that to there. We're going to bring in a transform node, boop, and then I don't know, we can use the transform node to make that smaller or bigger. We can do what we want with it. I find that it's helpful to have a transform node before your media out, just in case you ever need to do anything with your graphics and you don't want to mess with your scale and things out here. Just, I don't know, it's better. Alright, so now that we've got this put together, we're going to go ahead and drag over every node that we want to copy. So not the media out, but everything else. I'm going to go ahead and right click on any of them with all of them selected. Go to Settings, Save As, and then I've got this folder here, but it'll save yours somewhere else. As long as you know where they are, you're good to go. So we're going to call this one Template. And now, if we delete this stuff, kaboom, gone. So we just have a blank Fusion clip again. And then we visit our desktop, open this up, find Template right there, drag it on into Fusion, boop, and then you will see that both of those things are in here, and it says the same text template right there, boom. And you still have all your controls. You can change whatever you need to change, color, text, you can change the transform around, easy as that. If you guys are looking for some of these to use, I just put up for sale 5 text templates that you guys can go buy with the link in the description down below. It's only $1. Mostly it's just there to support the channel and give you guys a few examples of different text templates that you can use. Go check those out if you're interested in supporting the channel, or if you just need 5 text templates, that'd be a good reason to go there too. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do that so you don't miss anything coming out about Davinci Resolve, how to use it, things to do inside of it, and stuff like that. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.